If the quick share is not working on CMF Phone 2 Pro, then first of all we can go to settings. Over here choose connected devices and then go to connection preferences. Next, of course, we want to go to quick share and let's select who can share with you. First and foremost, you want to make sure that you are visible to nearby devices. Make sure that this option is enabled. Secondly, you want to also most likely make sure that you are available for everyone and anyone can start using quick share with you. If you select contacts, then only contacts that you have on your Google account will be able to share data with you. So just in case, we can switch to everyone, and by default we are activating everyone for 10 minutes only, so you can also uncheck this option so that you stay available for everyone, and then you can manually turn it off by going back, for example, to contacts. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!